Mania. Mania. He suffers from mania. He's always in a crazy high mood. Kleptomania. She can't stop stealing things. She's a true kleptomaniac. Pyromania. She's a pyromaniac. She can't stop setting things on fire. Anglomania. He loves all things English. He suffers from Anglomania. He even thinks he's English. Beatlemania. Are you old enough to remember Beatlemania? Young women went crazy over the Beatles. Trudeau-mania. Canadians fell in love with the Pierre Trudeau. In the 60s and 70s, there was a real Trudeau-mania. Egomania. He's a star and self-absorbed. He's a big head and an egomaniac. WrestleMania. Every year, the best wrestlers compete for the top prizes at WrestleMania. Megalomania. Idi Amin, right to the end, suffered from megalomania. He thought he was a god. Arithmomania. She has to count all the time. She suffers from arithmomania. Bibliomania. He collects so many books and lives for his books. He suffers from bibliomania. Necromania. He's attracted to the dead. He has necromania. English mania. The whole world is experiencing English mania and wanting to learn English. What about you? Maniac. She's a maniac. She's absolutely crazy. The end.